Planning for emergency expenses is a crucial aspect of financial management. To begin, assess your current financial situation by reviewing your income, expenses, and savings. This will help you determine how much you can realistically set aside for emergencies. Establish a dedicated emergency fund account separate from your regular savings to avoid temptation and ensure funds are readily available when needed. Next, calculate the amount needed in your emergency fund. A common recommendation is to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Consider factors such as job stability, family size, and health needs when determining the appropriate amount for your situation. Regularly contribute to this fund, even if it's a small amount, as consistency is key to building a substantial reserve over time.
Finally, review and adjust your emergency fund plan periodically. Life circumstances change, so it's important to reassess your needs annually or after major life events. Additionally, explore ways to increase your savings by cutting unnecessary expenses or finding additional income sources. By maintaining a well-funded emergency account, you can alleviate stress and ensure financial security when unexpected situations arise.